A role defines the security level and access privileges assigned to a specific user within Unity Enterprise. To create a new role, you'll first need to ensure that the relevant node access groups and permission sets are in place. For a step-by-step guide on this, please refer to the relevant videos within this section. To access the Roles feature, simply navigate to the Organizations section, then the Permissions section. Select Roles from the available features under the drop-down menu. The displayed screen will show you all the current active roles set up within the organization. Need to create a new role for a user? To create a new role, simply select the plus icon at the top of the list. Assign a name to the role, then select an available node access group and permission set from the Selection Available form, the dropdown. Finally, specify which roles have the authority to assign this new role to users and the desired data retention period. By default, the system sets a 14-day limit. To remove this restriction, simply leave the field blank. Once all information is complete, click the tick to save the role.